Hello everyone, my name is Riddhi. My ID number is 124 and my friend's ID number is 94. Her name is Shruti. Our project definition is food classification using ensemble learning. So basically our problem statement is wherever we travel, for example, in different countries, we do not know what the food actually contains, right? If it is veg or non-veg. So if we want to find out what kind of food it is and if you want to know all the details of the food, we will just need to capture the image and it will tell you whether it is according to the way you need it or not, right? So ensemble, basically you need to understand what ensemble is. So ensemble means you are using multiple models and integrating into one, and you are making or building the kind of model which makes you the best accuracy, which gives you the best accuracy, basically. So next is the prototype. So basically in this, we have threefold method which aims to detect the food images, thereby filtering the irrelevant non-food image by the users. It will also classify these images according to the food categories by recognizing the food ingredients. It also provides the explanations using a user-centered explainable AI framework to improve the trust of all the involved parties, which is also illustrated in the given diagram.
So now I would like to continue about the presentation we are conducting. So the methodology we have used in our project are given below. For the feature selection technique, we have used 4 techniques, and for feature selection, we have used 1 technique. So start with feature extraction technique. Feature extraction technique we have used our HOG, that is histogram of oriented gradient. In this technique, the graphs are plotted, and according to the graph, the whole detail and the bordering of image are done, and feature are extracted from the image. And the second, shift scale invariant feature transform. In this, the distance between the images, distance between the object in the image are done, and then feature is selected from that. LBP is local binary pattern. In this, 3x3 matrix are formed, and it is traversed around the image, and the middle cell of the matrice are the features selected from the whole image, and then the feature are selected, feature are extracted from the image. The next are surf, and the feature selection technique we have used in this is PCA, that is principal component analysis. In principal component analysis, feature selection technique are used. When the feature are extracted from the 4 methods we have used previously, then the that extracted features are furthermore selected by PCA. In this, the columns of data set are eliminated, that unimportant columns. In this image, we can see the implementation of photos. Like, this is the original photo of pizza, and the 5 methods are applied on the images. The first is HOG, then is LPV, and then SURF, SIFT, and PCA. The dataset we have used in this project is Food 101, that is publicly available on Kaggle. It has 1,000 food images, and the dataset is divided into 101 food classes, which are most consist of fast food and American food, and samples are present in this image. So in conclusion, the issue of limited resource and food image analysis on the edge device, we have proposed an approach to recognize the food categories and detect the ingredients with great precision upon discriminating between food and non-food in this image. And also it will make easy to user to use this approach. On our proposed methodology is currently studying, utilize an ensemble model based on the transfer learning. Thank you.